Looking for the best rice cooker in 2026? In this video, we'll review the top rice cookers that deliver perfectly cooked rice with ease. From advanced smart features to budget-friendly options, we've compared performance, capacity, convenience, and value to help you make the right choice. Stay with us until the end to discover our top pick and find the perfect rice cooker for your kitchen and cooking needs. Number 3. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker Arc 914 SBD is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance that makes preparing rice, grains, and steamed meals simple and convenient. With a 4-cup uncooked, 8-cup cooked capacity, it's perfectly sized for small families, couples, or meal prepping. Powered by sensor logic technology, the cooker automatically adjusts temperature throughout the cooking cycle to produce fluffy, evenly cooked rice with excellent texture and flavor. The easy-to-use digital control panel includes dedicated settings for white rice, brown rice, steam, and flash rice, while the automatic keep warm function keeps meals hot and ready to serve after cooking. The flash rice mode reduces cooking time by up to 50%, making it ideal for busy schedules. It also includes a steam tray that allows you to steam vegetables, fish, or meat while rice cooks below, saving both time and effort. A 15-hour delay timer adds even more flexibility for meal planning. Customers consistently praise its performance and convenience. One reviewer shared that the rice cooker exceeded expectations by producing perfectly cooked rice while also working wonderfully as a steamer. Another user, who had struggled with stovetop rice for years, was thrilled with how effortlessly it prepared both white and brown rice. They also appreciated the keep warm feature and easy cleanup. Affordable, reliable, and packed with useful features, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker is an excellent choice for anyone seeking consistently delicious meals with minimal effort. Number 2. The Kosori 10-Cup Rice Cooker is a feature-packed appliance designed to make cooking rice and other meals simple, reliable, and delicious. Equipped with fuzzy logic technology, it automatically adjusts the 7-step cooking process to deliver fluffy, evenly cooked rice every time. With 18 cooking functions, you can prepare white rice, brown rice, grains, oats, steamed vegetables, soups, slow-cooked meals, and even sauté ingredients, making it much more than a traditional rice cooker. Its 10-cup capacity is ideal for families or meal prepping, while the 24-hour keep warm and 24-hour delay timer functions ensure meals are ready whenever you need them. The quick rice mode speeds up cooking without sacrificing texture or flavor, making it perfect for busy weeknights. The non-stick ceramic-coated inner pot, removable lid, and accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and effortless. Customers consistently praise its dependable performance and ease of use. One reviewer highlighted its sleek design, fast heating, and consistently perfect rice, noting that the non-stick pot makes cleanup incredibly easy. Another customer appreciated how the rice remains fluffy without sticking or burning and loved the long-lasting keep warm feature, which keeps meals fresh for hours after cooking. They also found the multiple cooking modes practical for everyday use. Combining versatility, smart cooking technology, and easy maintenance, the Kosori 10-Cup Rice Cooker is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a stylish, high-quality appliance that delivers consistently impressive cooking results. Number 1. The Toshiba Origin Taste 5.5-Cup Rice Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that delivers consistently delicious rice while offering far more than basic cooking. Powered by fuzzy logic technology and 3D heating, it automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time to produce fluffy, evenly cooked rice every time. With 15 cooking functions including white rice, brown rice, jasmine rice, mixed grain, porridge, cake, egg, soup, and stew, it's an excellent all-in-one solution for busy households. Designed for convenience, the intuitive LCD digital display makes selecting cooking modes quick and easy. The 24-hour delay timer allows you to schedule meals in advance, while the keep warm and reheat functions ensure your food stays ready to serve without drying out. Its 5.5-cup uncooked capacity easily prepares enough rice for families of up to 6 people, and the 3.1 mm thick non-stick inner pot with a PFAS-free ceramic coating promotes even heating and effortless cleanup. Customers consistently praise its dependable performance. One reviewer appreciated its simple controls, sleek design, and excellent nonstick pot that makes cleaning fast and hassle-free. Another user shared that after several months of use, the rice cooker continued producing perfectly cooked rice every time while keeping it warm without burning the bottom, a common issue with less expensive models. For anyone seeking reliability, versatility, and consistent cooking results, the Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker is a high-quality investment that delivers excellent value and outstanding everyday performance.